In a historic shift, the VH-92A Patriot helicopter has officially replaced the VH-3D Sea King and VH-60N White Hawk as the new Marine One. This change was announced in January 2025, with the VH-92A now taking to the skies as the primary aircraft transporting the President of the United States, marking a new era in presidential aviation. The journey of Marine One, the call sign for any U.S. Marine Corps aircraft carrying the President, has evolved over the decades. It all started in 1957 when President Dwight D. Eisenhower first used the Bell UH-13J Sioux for short-range travel. From there, models like the Sikorsky UH-34 Seahorse and the VH-3A Sea King paved the way for Marine One's development. In 1976, the Marine Corps took exclusive control of Marine One operations, solidifying its role as the key presidential transport. Over time, the Marine One fleet included the VH-3A, VH-3D, and VH-60N White Hawk, which served the country for over 40 years. But as technology advanced, these helicopters began to show their limitations in range, payload, and the ability to integrate modern security systems. Enter the VH-92A Patriot. Developed to replace older models, the VH-92A brings an entirely new level of capability, safety, and efficiency. Powered by two General Electric CT7-8A engines, it has a top speed of 306 km per hour, 165 knots, and a service ceiling of 4,300 meters. The helicopter's payload capacity has also increased, now able to carry up to 14 passengers. It's equipped with state-of-the-art communication systems, infrared countermeasures, and radar jammers to ensure the safety of the President in any situation. The VH-92's first flight took place in 2017, and after extensive testing, it officially became Marine One in August 2024, when President Joe Biden took it on his trip to the Democratic National Convention. By 2025, it has officially replaced the VH-3D and VH-60N, which had far surpassed their original 20-year service expectations. Now, with President Donald Trump set to travel aboard the VH-92A, the new Marine One ensures that presidential travel will continue to be secure, reliable, and efficient for years to come. The transition to this modernized aircraft is not just an upgrade in technology, but a symbol of the U.S. government's commitment to keeping the President safe and prepared in an ever-changing world. The VH-92A Patriot marks the beginning of a new chapter in the legacy of Marine One, ensuring the President's Airborne office is ready for the challenges of the 21st century.